Welcome back to the Sandpond saga. I've been making and polishing more elements for Sandpond, like ice, mice, ants, cheese and carrots. Nearly everything has gone pretty smoothly. Nearly everything except rabbits. Rabbits have been exceedingly difficult to make, for me at least. Today I want to show you why. First, we need to go all the way back to the start. Sandpond is loosely based on Dave Ackley's Moveable feast machine, which is a new type of computer architecture for making robust and indefinitely scalable computers. Here's the simulator for it. The way it works is, it fires events in random places in the grid. To show you, I'm highlighting everywhere an event happens in random colours. As you can see, the shape of an event is a sort of diamond. This is the event window. During an event, the atom in the middle can look at and change anything else in that event window. The Sandpond engine fires one event at a time, and its event window is a slightly different shape, a 5x5 square. Here it is firing randomly in the engine. And when you're in 3D mode, this is the shape of the event window. There it is firing in random places again. But what's this got to do with rabbits? Some atoms fit very nicely into an event window when they move. Sand is super simple, it just moves down to the space below it. Even stuff that's made up of more than one atom, like mice, fit neatly into an event window when they move. Here's another example. Carrots topple over in 3D, but they're not that hard to make because they stay within the event window as they topple. Rabbits, on the other hand, need to move out of their event window to move forwards. This means that they need to somehow move over the course of 2 events. I managed to get pretty close by making them sort of stretch themselves across 2 event windows. But I messed up something simple along the way, so I decided to leave it and go back to it later. In the meantime, all of this stuff about event windows got me thinking. Technically, you could process loads of event windows at the same time, right? As long as they don't overlap, there's no reason why they shouldn't be processed in parallel, right? Which means you could make a world that is a lot bigger, right? I gave up on the rabbits and tried to make an engine that uses your graphics card to process different events at the same time. Just to get it working, I made it fire a tiny event window that looks like this, in random places. You can see it firing here. The white is the top, the red is the bottom. This let me make a simple sand element. Then I tried to make a 3x3 event window that looks like this. Here it is firing. The red is the center. The blue shows the rest of the event window. It's not firing randomly yet, that's my next step, but it has let me make a few different elements. I'm honestly pretty stunned by how well this has gone. Currently in Sandpond, I can get around the 100,000 atoms running smoothly, and that took a lot of optimization. In the new prototype, I can get around 10 million atoms without too much thought. It's not scalable at all, but I'm going to explore it further to see what I can learn, and I'm quite excited by the possibilities. So that's where I am now. Thank you very much for watching my progress. I really appreciate it. and hopefully I'll see you next time.